Jesus Freak here. Now, a follower on my videos brought up this quote, which is frequently attributed to Jimi Hendrix, although he probably, if he said it, picked it up from an Indian guru who frequently said something similar. And it's also been attributed to other people. The saying is, when the power of love overcomes the love of power, then we will know peace. As much as this sentiment may sound like it doesn't come from anywhere in particular, there are actually a few places in Isaiah, Jeremiah, Ezekiel, where we can come up with this idea. But I'll be a little more specific on this matter because the power of love is the power of God. And the love of power is unfortunately our fallen nature because, well, we're human. Isaiah says, for example, because it says, as there shall come forth a rod out of the stem of Jesse, and a branch shall grow out of his roots. And the Spirit of the Lord shall rest upon him, the Spirit of wisdom and understanding, the Spirit of counsel and might, the Spirit of knowledge and of the fear of the Lord, and shall make him of quick understanding in the fear of the Lord. And he shall not judge after the sight of his eyes, neither reprove after the hearing of his ears. But with righteousness shall he judge the people, and reprove with equity for the meek of the earth. And he shall smite the earth with the rod of his mouth, and with the breath of his lips shall he slay the wicked. And righteousness shall be the girdle of his loins, and faithfulness the girdle of his reins. The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the kid, and the calf and the young lion and the fatling together, and a little child shall lead them. And the cow and the bear shall feed, their young ones shall lie down together, the lion shall eat straw like the ox, and the suckling child shall play on the hole of the asp, and the weaned child shall put his hand on the cockatrice's den. They shall not hurt nor destroy in all my holy mountain, for the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. And in that day there shall be a root of Jesse, which shall stand for an ensign of the people. To it shall the Gentiles seek, and his rest shall be glorious. And Ezekiel says, "Therefore say, Thus saith the Lord God, I will even gather you from the people and assemble you out of the countries where you've been scattered, and I will give you the land of Israel, and they shall come thither, and they shall take away all the detestable things thereof, and all the abominations from thence. And I will give them one heart, and I will put a new spirit within you, and I will take the stony heart out of their flesh, and will give them an heart of flesh, that they may walk in my statutes and keep mine ordinances and do them, and they shall be my people, and I will be their God." You know, this idea might have come from the mouth of a Hindu guru before it wound up in the mouths of rock legends, if indeed it did. But you will actually find the concept right here where it matters. Jesus freaked out.